Hey, hi all, welcome to Script QA. In today's session, we are going to learn about the operators. So in previous session as well, we have covered few operator. So if you haven't watched that particular video, so please do watch by clicking on I button. Okay. So far we have covered the operator, assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator. Now we are going to discuss about the logical operator. Okay, so in logical operator, basically two operators will be there. Okay, logical and logical or operator. Okay, so for that I will quickly jump on Eclipse. Okay, and I'll create one new program. Okay, I will say class part 2. Okay, and I'll say public static void main. Okay, so I have created one program here, and I'll say logical and operator. So we are going to discuss about the first of all logical and operator. Okay, so this particular operator return true if both are true. Okay, both means left hand side and right hand side conditions are true, then it will return the true. Okay, for example, I'm saying system dot out dot print. Okay, and I'm saying true and true. Okay, so what I said, like both the conditions are true, then this particular operator will be written true. Okay, now left hand side as well true and right hand side as well true. So it should return the true. Okay, so I quickly run this program and we'll see what is the output. Okay, so now it's returning the true. If I'm making this as a false, okay, and I will run this again, it's returning false. Okay, what if I'm making this false, false, it should return the false. Okay, so basically and operator or logical and operator will return true if this both the condition, first condition and second condition, both the condition are true, then it will return a true. Okay, now next operator is logical or operator. Okay, so now basically this particular operator return true if one true. Okay, so if one of the condition is true, then it will return a true. Okay, so logical or operator will return a true if one of the condition will be true, it will return a true. Okay, so I'm using same print ln statement. Okay, and here I'll say true. Okay, now condition is saying if one of the condition is true, then it will return a true. Now I am having true, both the condition are true. Okay, that means there are true is there, right? So it we should return a true. Okay, so it's returning true. What if I'm making this false? Okay, so now one condition is false and one condition is true. So in that case as well, one condition is true. That is the reason it will return a true. So if I run this, it's returning the true. Okay, now I'm making this as a false. False. Now both the condition are false. Okay, none of the condition is true, right? So our definition is saying if one is true, then true. If nothing is true, then it will return a false. So I'm having false condition, so it should return a false. Okay, so it's returning false now. Okay, so this is about the logical and operator and logical or operator. Okay, now coming to the next operator. Next operator we have, that is the conditional operator. Okay, so for this what I will do, I will create two variable. I'll say int a is equal to 20 20 and int b equal to 30. Okay, now I have to use this conditional operator. Okay, so question mark and colon. Okay, so this is the conditional operator. Okay, so I'll say question mark and colon. Okay, so basically before question mark you have to provide one condition. Okay, so here you have to provide any condition like a greater than b or something like that, and then you have to add the question mark. Okay, after question mark, if condition is true, what it should return. Okay, that condition, so for example I'm finding the uh, uh, greater number. Okay, so in that case I'll say if a is greater, then simply return a. Okay, if not, a is not greater, then simply return a b. Okay, so for this, basically this is a ternary operator, right? So we have discussed earlier this ternary operator. If you want check that previous video, please do check that operator related video. All right, so now this is how we have to provide. Okay, so simply what I will do, I'll just remove this one and I'll say a greater b question mark. If a is greater, then return a. If not, then return b. Okay, and I will run this particular program. So now in this particular condition, A is 20 and B is 30. So 20 is not greater than 30, right? So condition will false here. So it will not return A, it will print the B. Okay, so I will run this. Okay, so it's returning 30. Why? Because the I'm checking A is greater than B, but A is not greater than B. So that's the reason it's not printing the A, it's printing the B. What if I'm making this as a 50? Okay, and then I'll simply check again. So now what will happen? So now it will check A is greater than B, but now value of A is 15 and value of B is 13. So 15 is greater than 30, condition will be true, so it should return a value of A. So value of A is nothing but 50, so it should print the 50. Okay, so it's printing the 50 here. Okay, so now this is about the logical operator. Moving toward the next operator, so we have next operator is the bitwise operator. Okay, so for the bitwise operator, basically this operator will perform the operation on bits. Okay, so we have to convert the number, okay, in binary format. Okay, before proceeding with this operator, so what I will do, I will simply open the. Okay, okay, so I will write the binary number till 1 to 8. Okay, so for 1 it will be, I will add in octal format, so 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 Okay, so I will simply copy paste. Okay, so it will be 1 0, it will be 1 1, it will, sorry, 2 3 4, and this will be 1 0 0. Okay, now here it will be 1, this will be the 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1, and this will be the 1 0 0. Okay, I'll change the number. This will be the 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so we have prepared some binary numbers. Okay, so you don't have to remember these numbers. Okay, if you don't know, you can simply use this particular converter. Okay, binary to decimal or decimal to binary. Okay, so it will give the binary and decimal number to you. So first bitwise operator that we have is the AND operator. Okay, so what I will do, I will quickly go to the notepad. Okay, so now I have to use the AND operator. Okay, AND operator, I'm currently discussing about the AND operator. Okay, so AND operator, particular AND operator will return this particular AND operator will return 1 if both number are 1. Okay, so this particular operator will return 1 if both the number are 1. Okay, so let's say I'm saying 2 and 3. Okay, so what is the binary number of 2? So binary number of 2 is this one. So I will just simply copy this. Okay, and binary number of 3 is this one. Okay, so now here, now I'm doing the operation 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So I have put down here both the binary number for the 2 and 3. Okay, now our condition is saying AND operator, because I'm doing AND operation, right? So AND operator will return 1 if both the numbers are 1. So I have to check here. Okay, so this first number, okay, I have to check this one and this one. So both are 0. So this number 0 and this number is as well 0. So I will simply say here 0, 0. Now second number 0, 0. Okay, so 0, 0 will be 0. Now this number 0, 0, so it will be 0. This number 0, 0, 0. Now next position number 0, 0, so it will be 0. Okay, now on this position 0, 0, so it will be 0. And now 1, 1. So I am saying like if only if both the numbers are 1, then it will return 1. So it will return 1. Okay, now this is the 0 and this is the 1. Okay, so 0, 1, it will be the 0. Okay, so number is a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the binary number of 2. Okay, so 2 and 3. Okay, answer will be the your 2. Answer will be the 2. So I will quickly jump on Eclipse and we'll see there. Okay, I'll say 2, 2 and 3, and I'll run the program and we'll see what is the output. So it should be 2. Okay, it is printing the 2. Okay, now what I will do, I will take one more example. Okay, so now 6 and 7. Okay, so 6 and 7. Okay, so 6 and 7. Okay, so binary number of 6 will be this one, and binary number of 7 will be this one. Okay, so now I have to compare the bits. Okay, so first two bit 0, sorry, first bit 0, 0, so it will be always 0. Okay, then 0, 0, again second bit 0, then 0, 0, it will be 0, then this will be the 0, this is a 0, so 0, 0 will be the 0, then again 0, 0, it will 0. Okay, now here 1, 1, so 1, 1 will be the, always remember, AND operator will return 1 if both the numbers are 1. So this is the 1, so this first number is 1 and this number is as well 1, so it will return the 1. Again next position 1, and here as well 1, so it will return 1. And last position number 0 and 1, 0, 1, it will be the 0, because it will only return 1 if both the numbers are 1. Here we have 0 and 1, so it will be 0. Okay, so now the number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so we'll see it will be for the 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so now I will go to the Eclipse and I will say 6 and 7. Okay, and I will print this. It should print the 6. Okay, so it's printing the 6. Okay, now moving toward the next operator. That is the, so OR operator will return 1 if both number are 1. Sorry, it will return 1 if not both, any one, any one number is 1. Okay, so OR operator will return 1 if any one number is having 1. Okay, so we'll simply say, okay, so this is the, I'll take the example 4, 4 or 5. Okay, so binary number of 4 is this one, so I'll copy this one, and binary number of 5 is this one, so I will copy this one. Okay, now what our condition is saying, OR operator will return 1 if one of the number is 1. Okay, so in first place this is the 0 and this is as well 0, so 0 0 will be the 0 0. Okay, here as well 0 and here as well 0. Okay, so 0 0 will be the 0. Next place this is the 0 and this is as well 0, so 0 0 will be 0. On next place this is 0 and this is as well 0, so 0 0 will be the 0. Okay, so here as well 0 and here as well 0. Okay, so 0 0 will be 0. Okay, now next place this is 1 and this is also 1, so one of the number should be the 1. Okay, now we are having both the 1, so it will be the 1. Okay, now 0, this is 0 and this is as well 0, so 0 0 will be the 0. Now this is the 1 and this is 1, so in our OR operator if one of the number is 1 then output will be the 1, so it will be 1. Okay, so now number is the 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the binary number of 5. So 4 or 5, it will be the your 5. Okay, so quickly I'll jump, I'll say 4 or 5. Okay, and I'll run this. Okay, it's returning 5. Okay, now I'll take another one example. Okay, I'll take the 5 and 6. Okay, so this is the 5 number. Let's say 5 or 6. Okay, so my 5 is this one and my 6 will be the this one. 6 is here, right? So I have to perform the OR operation. Okay, now, so what OR condition will do? It will check one of the number is 1, then it will return 1. Okay, so now in first place it will be the 0 because both the number are 0. So again both the number 0, again both the number 0, again both the number 0 and again both the number 0. Now we have 1 and again here as well we have 1. Okay, so 1 1 will be the 1, so 0 and 1, so 0 1 will be the 1 because one of the number is 1. So now next place 1 and here 0, so 1 0 will be the 1 because one of the number is 1. Okay, so now this will be the binary number of 7. Right, if you see binary number for the 7 is the 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so output should be the 1, 5 or 6. So I'll say 5 or 6. I will run this particular program and output will be the 7. So our output will be the 7. Okay, now next operator we have XOR operation. Okay, so XOR operator. So XOR operator, this is the XOR operator. Okay, XOR operator. Okay, now next operator we have, that is the XOR operator. Okay, so this particular XOR operator will return 1. This will return 1 if both number are not matching. Okay, so both the number are not matching. In that case, it will return 1. So we'll simply say the example. We'll say 5 or 3. Okay, so binary number of 5 is this one. Binary number of 5 is this one. And binary number of 4 is this one. Sorry, 3. Binary number of 3 is this one. Okay. Now here, what is our condition saying? It's saying this will return 1 if both the numbers are not matching. Okay, that means it will return 1 if above number is 1 and below number is 0, or maybe below number is 1 and above number is 0. Okay, so here in first place it is having 0. First place it is having 0. Second place, both the number are 0, so 0. Then again third place, both the number 0 0. Fourth place, both the number 0, so 0. Fifth place, both the number 0, so it will return 0. In sixth place, okay, so this is the 1 and this is the 0, so contrast is there, right? So it will return 1. Okay, so now on this place, okay, so this is 0 and this is 1, so again contrast is there, right? So it will return 1. Okay, so now here this is 1 and this is as well 1, so this is no there is no contrast, right? So both the number is 1, right? So it will return 0. Okay, so now this is the binary number of 6. So I will simply say here 5 XOR 3. 5 XOR 3. I will add here XOR operator. So 5 XOR 3 will be the how much? It will be the 6, right? So our output will be the 6. So our output is 6, right? So we'll take another example. So let's say I'm saying 6 XOR 7. Okay, so 6 is this one. This is the binary number of our 6, and this is the binary number for 7. Okay, so here first number is 0, second number is 0. Okay, so 0 0 will be the 0. Then again 0 0 will be the 0. Then again 0 0 will be the 0. Then again 0 0 will be the 0. 0 0 will be the 0. Okay, now here 1 and here as well 1. Okay, so 1 1 will be the again 0. So 1 1 again 0, and 0 1 will be the 1 because contrast is there, right? So it will be 1, right? So this is the binary number of 1. Okay, so for 1 we have this binary number. Okay, so I will quickly jump to the eclipse and I'll say 6 XOR 7. Okay, 6 XOR 7, and I'll run this program and we'll see what is the output. So it's giving the 1.